I went in with just the mindset of let's just do it and let's see where it takes me. So my name is David. I grew up in San Francisco. I always had a plan to go to Nepal to trek the Annapurna Mountains. We woke up around 6 a.m. to catch the sunrise. We're just kind of hanging out, taking pictures, and then all of a sudden I look up and I just see this cloud of white.
Oh my God! Holy crap!
Oh wow, and then it got really exciting because we were all taking pictures.
Oh my God!
And I think after like 5 seconds, I was like, yo, should we start running? This is coming towards us.
Shit, run!
And then all of a sudden, it's just like it starts coming closer and closer.
That is not a cloud, that is an avalanche.
An avalanche.
This gust of white snow just comes at us at like 50 miles an hour or something. And
All right, here we go. Maybe we should leave now.
so I had to kind of go back into the tea house. I was like, wow, I saw an avalanche and I'm okay.
The guy at the lodge said he's never seen something as big as this one, so
Yeah.
good thing we stayed, we're safe. That was probably the highlight of my 16 days here.
I think that was what was so special about the trip. Everything was spontaneous and everything was unplanned, and that was the beauty of it.